Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Trendy of Fashion. I hope you all are well and doing good. Stay blessed, stay happy, and stay tuned to my channel. Obviously, by subscribing it. And if you are new to my channel and watching first time my video, then make sure you press the bell icon. In this way, you can get all new notification of my latest videos. I know you were waiting of my new video. So, ladies and gents, your wait is over. I'm here again with one of your and other favorite topic. Today, I am presenting low bob haircut ideas. These all long lob haircut ideas are really amazing. So, let's start the video. I will suggest you to watch this video till the end. In this way, you can get your favorite one haircut and hairstyle from this video. The all low bob haircut ideas which I am presenting in this video are really amazing, gorgeous, outstanding, mind-blowing, fantastic and latest. These all low haircut ideas will inspire you to get them as early as possible as you watch them. These all haircut ideas with fashion hair color are really amazing, too gorgeous and too beautiful. After getting this hairstyle, you will feel more younger than your age as well. These hairstyles and haircuts will enhance the beauty of your personality. I hope you guys like the video. If you do, you can appreciate me through comment section and also share your ideas that what kind of video you want to watch next. It will be my pleasure to make video for you guys according to your choice. And you can also share this video to your friends, family members and social contacts. In this way they will get updated with fashion and trend. So guys, keep watching, keep sharing and keep supporting the video, keep supporting the channel and keep supporting me as well. Your support keep me energetic and boost me to make video for you guys according to your choice. These whole hairstyles are really amazing that after getting them you don't need to style them for long time. After getting them, you will be ready to go anywhere anytime, like functions, get-togethers, kitty parties, weddings, receptions, offices, colleges, anywhere. I hope you guys like the video. I will be there in next video with one of your and other favorite topic. Till then, take yourself and keep remember me in your prayers. God bless you all and have a great hair day.